Welcome traders, this is Vishal and you're watching the stock analysis educational video. Today I would like to share with you my analysis, my view on the stock Ashok Leyland. If you are already a follower of my channel, if you are watching all of my educational videos like weekly sectoral analysis and Nifty short-term view, I think in a couple of my videos I've already mentioned that the auto pack is outperforming in the market along with the PSU banks. So today I have taken a stock which is from the auto pack, and you can see currently the trend of Ashok Leyland is already up. You can see prices are trading above the moving averages in the monthly time frame. I do agree that last couple of months we have seen a couple of shooting stars, or you can call them inverted hammers, but it is clear that the price has not collapsed after this particular red candle. It has been able to stay afloat. It has been able to bounce back a little bit. So it seems there is some steam left yet. Now, if I look at the weekly time frame, okay, there is one thing which I can see very, very clearly is this particular support band. All right. I hope you can see this. Last time, I think from here, the prices went up. This is the second time prices have come down. They have started going up. Now, this is the third time prices came down here. And now again, the prices are started going up. Now, if you see this candle, especially this candle, it's looking interesting to me. Now, over here, the trend was possibly down. But what happened was, even if RSI was not oversold over here, we saw a high wave candle. Imagine a situation where the trend is down, RSI is not oversold. This is just a beginning. In case, I mean, if this support was broken only then on closing basis, obviously. Before that, even we have a high wave candle. This is a clear sign that the stock was extremely rigid, that it is not interested to go down. And if you look at the weekly time frame candles in last 3 weeks, this candle is a sort of a hammer, which is pretty strong. This is not a hammer, not a classical hammer, but it is still a longer wick on the downside. And this particular candle is also looking like a hammer. So it seems that the stock is, extremely strong. Now, only problem is that this particular trend line, that stock is not able to surpass this. And this particular trend line has been tested now 4 times. This is the first one. This is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth time. And all of the times, apart from this first candle, we have seen shooting stars and stocks have come down. If I show you the hourly time frame also, in the hourly time frame, we have a negative divergence, right? You can see we have a higher high in the price and we have a lower high in the RSI. So it is possible that the stock might dip in next few coming days, or it might go sideways. Only thing is, if this stock is able to close above 142 or 143, if that is possible, and it will take few days, I don't think it is going to happen immediately, because this is a positional view. This is not a short-term view, my friends. This is a positional view with a time span of probably 15 days to maybe even 2 to 3 months. All right. So if this stock closes above 142 or 143 with decent volumes, with a big green candle, then we could see decent upside in this particular stock. Let me share with you the levels which I feel can be tested on the upside. All right. So according to me, the levels which can be tested on the upside is 146, probably even 150, 151. And on the higher side, I feel it could test somewhere around 160 to maybe even 164. So keep this particular stock in your watch list. It is pretty strong. If you see even the daily chart candles over here, you can see this is a hammer. This is again a very, very, very strong hammer. This candle is not a classical hammer, but it is still looking like one. Even this is a hammer. So you can see there is some sort of support coming over here, because the support is, I think, due to this particular hump which is over here. Okay, we can see a small downfall. So this particular high which the prices have crossed is now acting as a decent support. Only thing is, now the stock is range bound within 139, and on the low sign 125. So once we cross above 142, I've already shared the levels with you. Please use your own trading setups in case if you want to do anything in this stock. This is just my view, nothing else. All right. So I hope these educational videos are helpful for you, and share this particular video with other fellow traders whom you know, so they can make use of these educational videos to understand how this stock can perform. And that is the reason why I make these educational videos for you. Trade wisely.